Hi, this is Charlie Seymour Jr.
And this is Dr. Mark Kosman.
And we have just completed a terrific interview with Dr. Longvo
And Dr. Julie Dow.
They're dentists outside of Toronto in Burlington, Ontario.
That's right, their Smile Center Dental is just doing innovative work, and we profiled it for our Dental Top Doc Legends program.
That's right, so listen to this question, see what we have here for you, and at the end, we have a special offer for you. So stay tuned all the way to the end. You and your wife have 2 children. We happen to have 2 children. I also have a brand new grandson. So answering some of these questions, we bring not only our own backgrounds and yours as a dentist, but you're there as a dad as well, having seen this. So one of the questions that was written to us is, during my pregnancy, my gums bleed and are very sensitive. Is that normal, and what should I do?
Well, up to a certain degree, it is normal because hormonal changes, changes in your diet, and a lot of changes to welcome a new life. So for sure that bleeding gums can be normal. However, sometimes it is not normal, such as if mommy is suffering from gum disease, or if you have an infection like an abscess, and that is not normal, and that can be harmful to your baby. So it's very important to get it checked out, and it really doesn't hurt to simply visit your dentist or your family doctor. And there's a misconception that pregnant women have to visit the doctor all the time, but then what about the dentist? Because we're a big part of your health, right? So if you visit the dentist, we just want to make sure that everything is normal. And that way, if you're healthy, then your baby will be healthy. And if you're not, it can transmit the bacteria onto your unborn child.
And we'll get into a lot of
Yes.
those details as we get further into these questions too.
Yes.
So, Dr. Julie, I mean, a pregnant woman obviously going through lots and lots of changes. It gets got to be very confusing what is normal and what's not. So you're brushing your teeth, you notice that your gums are bleeding. Is there any way for me to know whether I'm actually having a problem that requires attention or not, or whether it's just one of the many changes I'm going through?
Well, definitely we don't expect, the patient to know. And, that's why a quick visit to the dentist can prevent a lot of problems. Yes, it could be normal, but if it's not, then, we will let you know how to take care of it. Because the last thing you want to know, is to have any kind of infection. And when you're pregnant, it's really important that you're at the best health possible, so then you can welcome that baby and have the baby as healthy as possible.
And I've heard you say many times that for pregnant moms, often there's almost a neglect of yourself because you're so focused on the health of the baby. But this is for the health of the baby as well as your own health, so it's important. Definitely.
When we're pregnant, there's so many things we need to take care of. With so many things we have to look after. There's all this doctor's appointment. You have to watch your diet. You have to watch everything that you do. And often we tend to neglect ourselves. We tend to neglect our teeth. But there's a connection between your dental health and your overall health and the baby's health as well. So definitely it's important that you have, in any doubt, have it looked after, because it doesn't hurt.
Absolutely. Better safe than sorry.
Whoa, Dr. Mark, that's a good answer there to that question.
That was terrific, but that's just the beginning. We have so much more to give you here.
Where do we have more to give you here?
DentalSecrets101.com.
DentalSecrets101.com. What do we have there?
There we have the entire interview that this was just one question from, but that's just the beginning. We have the Dental Secrets 101 special report.
Oh, you do want to get that. That's downloadable right away. You can get all these questions and answers, some new ones, some other information.
Lots of information to take care of your dental health and the dental health of your family. But you're also going to get an ongoing newsletter with great tips for your dental health and taking care of your kids. But the interview is going to be terrific because it is just lots and lots of information with 2 dentists.
And every time we add another series of these, we add it to the same thing. So you may find there's a lot more there than you even think is there. So if you liked this question and answer, now's the time to get even more. So click on that link that's down below, Dental Secrets 101, and get all of this, plus so much more.